Okay, I'm just going to do a demo of this QA bot that I've written, and hopefully the sound won't be too bad. I know the keyboard comes out quite loudly. It's just the microphone quality I've got. So anyway, it's here, and the basic concept is you type in a few things. It can be about yourself, or it could be about anything actually, and it keeps a track of the things you type in, as long as you don't put a question mark at the end. So anything you type in normally, it will log that as something that you're telling it about the topic you wanted to respond about the questions on. So if you want to tell it about yourself, you just type in a bunch of things like, I am 42 years old, I live in London, my name is Neil, and I like watching Game of Thrones. Okay, that's probably enough for now. And then you can then just there are two keywords here. Basically, description or disc is going to basically show you what you have in your description. So that's the things I've entered. You can reset it. I won't do that now because that blanks it all out. And then the clever bit is that if you ask it a question, so you put a question mark at the end, it's not using anything sophisticated, but so you have to have the question mark at the end. If you ask a question, then instead of adding something to that description, it actually uses that description and then sends your question to a Q&A API that I've got running here, which is AllenNLP, and it does basically a form of machine reading on that, and then comes back with the answer. So if I type in what is my name, I have to put the question mark on, it's quite easy to forget that. Then it comes back with Neil, and then it's where do I live? London. What do I like watching on TV? Game of Thrones. And how old am I? 42. So that's actually worked brilliantly. Occasionally it will get a bit mixed up. It's not absolutely perfect, but I'm sort of working on it, fine tuning it as I go. And yeah, so that's the basic concept. You can reset the things here like that. So if I put a description, it now says it hasn't got a description, it's empty, and then put something else. So I could put Elizabeth is the Queen of England. And now let's try that. Who is the Queen of England? Elizabeth II. So yeah, it's quite effective. I mean, it's basically using this NLP method to do machine reading, and it returns a span. So it's not going to do things where it infers about something about the text. If you do a sequence of things, it's not going to know that you did the first thing then the second thing. If you're holding something and you walk into another room and then you put it down, if you describe those steps, it's not going to. And then you say where is the thing? It's not going to know that it's in the last room. It's not that sophisticated. It doesn't do that type of thing, but it can do this sort of basic reading of inputs. So as long as the text is in this description, then it will pull that out reasonably well. It's not perfect, but it's reasonably reliable. So anyway, there it is. All right.